In today's episode, we're going to explore the behavior and biology of one of the world's most feared predators, the tiger, and just how fierce are these striped hunters. Well, that's what we're here to find out, so let's get started. Tigers are solitary animals, except during mating season or when a female is rearing cubs. They are known to be highly territorial, and each tiger requires a large territory, which can range from 50 to 100 square miles, or 160 to 260 square kilometers in size. Tigers will defend their territory against rivals, and they do this by leaving scent markings, such as urine, claw marks, and feces. The reason tigers need such large territories is because they are apex predators, and they require lots of prey to survive. However, the amount of prey available to tigers can vary, and this means that some tigers may have to travel long distances in search of food. This is known as a tiger's home range. Tigers are also known to be skilled hunters, and they have a 5 to 10% success rate when hunting, meaning that they only catch their prey about 5 to 10% of the time. Although tigers are most active during the night, they are capable of hunting during the day if needed. During the hunt, tigers rely on their acute senses of hearing, sight, and smell to locate their prey. Tigers are also known for their stealth, and they use this to their advantage when hunting. They move through the tall grass and try to get as close to their prey as possible before making their move. Once a tiger has located its prey, it uses its powerful paws and sharp claws to capture and suffocate its prey. Tigers typically hunt large mammals such as deer and wild boar, but they are also capable of hunting smaller animals such as monkeys and birds. As mentioned earlier, tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, meaning that they are most active during the night. This is when temperatures are cooler and there is less competition for prey. Tigers have excellent night vision, and this allows them to see well in low light conditions. Their eyes are adapted to reflect light, and this helps them to see better in the dark. Tigers also have special adaptations that allow them to hear sounds at a much lower volume than humans can. This allows them to hear the sounds of their prey moving through the tall grass or the rustle of leaves as a potential predator approaches. In addition to their excellent night vision and hearing, tigers also have an exceptional sense of smell. They can detect the scent of prey from miles away, and this helps them to locate their next meal. Now let's compare the hunting techniques of tigers with other big cats like lions and leopards. Unlike lions who hunt in groups, tigers are solitary hunters. This means that they must rely on their stealth and hunting skills to capture prey. Tigers are also more agile than lions, and they use this to their advantage when hunting. They can jump over logs and climb trees with ease, which allows them to ambush their prey from unexpected angles. Unlike leopards, tigers are not as specialized for climbing trees. However, they are still capable of climbing if needed. Let's take a closer look at the tiger's anatomy and the tools that make them such effective hunters. Tigers have 4 strong legs that end in retractable claws. These claws are used to capture and hold on to their prey. Tigers also have sharp teeth that they use to tear into their prey's flesh. The tiger's paws are padded to help absorb shock while running and jumping. They also have scent glands on their paws that leave behind their unique scent when they walk. This scent helps to mark their territory and also helps them to communicate with other tigers. Tigers have long whiskers that act as sensory organs. They can feel vibrations from their prey as they move through the tall grass. Tigers also have a thick, luxurious coat that helps to keep them warm in cold weather. The coat also has a distinctive striped pattern that helps to camouflage the tiger in its natural environment. Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, much like a human's fingerprints. Tigers typically give birth to between 2 and 4 cubs after a gestation period of 100 to 110 days. The cubs stay with their mother for 2 to 3 years, and during this time she will teach them how to hunt. When tigers reach sexual maturity around 3 years of age, they are ready to mate. Female tigers come into heat once a year, and the mating season lasts for about 7 to 10 days. During this time, male and female tigers will vocalize to each other and rub against each other to release their hormones. Once the female is pregnant, the male will leave and she will give birth to her cubs a few months later. Female tigers typically give birth to 2 to 4 cubs after a gestation period of 100 to 110 days. The cubs will be completely dependent on their mother for the first 6 to 8 weeks of their lives, and will stay with her for up to 2 to 3 years. During this time, the mother will teach them essential skills such as how to hunt, how to defend themselves, and how to find food. Cubs will begin to learn how to walk and run within the first few weeks of life, and will start exploring their surroundings with their mother. As they grow older, they will begin to accompany their mother on hunts and learn how to capture and eat prey. The lifespan of a tiger depends on whether it lives in captivity or in the wild. In captivity, tigers can live up to 20 to 25 years, but in the wild, their lifespan is much shorter. Tigers in the wild typically live for 8 to 10 years. However, some have been known to live up to 15 years or longer. There are several threats that tigers face in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Habitat loss occurs when tigers lose their natural environment due to deforestation or other human activities. This can result in tigers being forced to live in smaller, more isolated populations. which can lead to inbreeding and a decrease in genetic diversity. Poaching is another major threat to tigers. Tigers are often poached for their fur bones and other body parts, which are used in traditional medicine or as status symbols. Human-wildlife conflict is another issue that tigers face. As tigers are apex predators, they sometimes come into conflict with humans. This can happen when tigers attack livestock or humans in self-defense, or when tigers are retaliated against by humans. Conservation efforts are underway to protect tigers and their habitats. These efforts include establishing protected areas, combating poaching, and raising awareness about tigers and their importance in the ecosystem. One example of a successful conservation effort is the recovery of the Siberian tiger. This subspecies of tiger was once on the brink of extinction, but thanks to conservation efforts, its numbers have rebounded in recent decades. In conclusion, tigers are fascinating creatures that play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. From their solitary nature and hunting skills to their unique anatomy and life cycle, tigers are truly remarkable animals. By understanding and appreciating tigers, we can work towards protecting them and their habitats for future generations to enjoy. So there you have it, folks. That's all for this episode. We hope you learned something new and exciting about tigers. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. And hey, if you've got any cool photos of tigers that you'd like to share with us, tag us on social media. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more wild encounters.